The planet Earth, better known as the blue planet. This is because 71% of the Earth's surface is water-covered, and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. We still want to explore the universe when we only know 5% of what hides our bodies of water. We are a group of friends and Portuguese divers united by the love of diving, by the unique and inexplicable feeling of freedom that this activity gives us. The team is made up of qualified divers, some of them professionals in the area. However, except for one of the members, we are not experts in photography or filming. We mainly use GoPro and some self-made lighting systems. In this channel, we will show you the various dive sites that we will find in our travels and trips around the world. Welcome to our humble channel. We are Argonauts, we are divers, and this is our world. In all of our dives we respect nature. We always try to never leave a footprint in the environment, and no animal is harmed.